Guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. For my new subscribers, you are welcome. For my returning subscribers, you are welcome, and for you watching my video for the first time, you are also welcome. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw a hairline on your full lace net. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end. Yeah, so now I've divided this net into two, like I fold it into two equal parts. One edge is joining the other edge, and you can see right on your screen. I'll fold it into two equal parts, and now I'll be using the safety pin to hold it down so that when I'm drawing on this net, it won't be removing. So guys, I'll be pinning it down with a safety pin. Don't forget, I fold it into two parts. Like I fold it into two equal parts when one edge will be joining the other edge. So I'll be pinning it down with a safety pin. I've done a similar video on how to make draw a hairline. In case you didn't find this one more explanatory, you can just go to my description box and tap on the link there. I've dropped a link on how to draw a line like this one you are watching. So then guys, I've pinned it down with the safety pin. Now I've told you I fold it into two equal parts. One edge is joining the other edge. So I've pinned it down with the safety pin, and here I'll be using a eyebrow pencil. I always use a brow pencil, so a tape measure and a ruler. Just use what you have for the accurate measurement. Just use what you have. You don't need to have what I have before you do what you want to do. So just have anything. Just use something that is convenient for you. So, but I just use this thing so that it will be more explanatory. Now I'm drawing the front line, like the way a front line look like. You can actually put this net on a mannequin head. On a mannequin head, there is a shape at the front. You can just draw this line from a mannequin head. You can place it on a mannequin head and draw out this front hair line. So now guys, I've drew the front hair line, and then I'll start measuring this length. And in this video, the measurement is just 2 inches, not 1, not 3, not 4. It's 2 inches. Like I want the box, like the box braid, to be big, not too big and not small. So now I'll start measuring right from the middle side. Like I'll start measuring right from the middle side, not the center side or not the back side. I'll start measuring from the front side, and it will be at the middle. Now I measure 2 inches straight up, like from the front side to the back side. Now I'll fold it into two. So I'll start measuring it 2 inches. So this is it from the first I start the measurement from the hairline, like the front hairline I drew at first, to the back side, and I'm drawing the back hairline also. So I measure right from the front hairline to the back hairline. I measure to 2 inches. So guys, this is when I've measured the 2 inches from the front hairline to the back hairline. So in a straight line. So now I'm measuring now. You know, if you want to get a cube shape, like a square shape, everything must be accurate, both the length and the breadth. I'm giving the length 2 inches and the breadth 2 inches also. You know, I've measured 2 inches straight. I'm going to measure another 2 inches in a bent way like this. I think you get what I'm saying. I measured 2 inches on the straight line and the vertical line, and the second one will be on on horizontal line, guys. So now I'm just using the ruler and the pencil to connect the first line I've drew. No, the second line. Yes, the second line I've drew. You know, I've measure 2 at first. The second 2 I measure, that's what I'm using this ruler to join together. You know, I get the first line 2 and this one or 2 to like the length 2 and the breadth 2. So I'll measure it. I'll join it with the ruler and then join the first one I measure 2. I'll join it together with this straight line making. So I'll just go ahead and join it together like this, placing the same ruler on it and draw it together. And it's going to give you the cube shape, like the square shape. It's just a logic anyway. So 2 at the breadth, 2 for the breadth, 2 for the length. I said it earlier, I've done the similar video. In case you don't find this one more explanatory, just go down to my description box and then watch. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my video. To my channel. Is very important to subscribe to see more of these videos. So now guys, I've joined them together like this. That is the logic. And then again I'll do another 2 again, and it will be on a straight line. I'll join another 2 like this, you can see, and then I will join it together. You know, I've already measured 2 at first, so I'll still be using this line to draw this particular line like this. So I'll just join them together, join everything together. So here I found out that when I was drawing is not really accurate. Yes, it's not really accurate if I should join them together like this. So I just use my initiative and just join it together in this way, because you know the way the net look like is not really accurate. So yeah, I just have to use initiative. Like, it's not too big and it's not too small, but it's not up to 2 anyway. So I just have to join it together like this. I think you understand. So yeah, I'll just divide this side, the remaining one like this. I'll just divide it into 2 using this line, this front line here. So I'll just divide it into 2 just like this. So that's it. And then this is it. You know, this is just the first side. This is the other side. I've not drawn it, and you can see the line I drew at the first side reflects here. So I don't need to measure, I don't need anything. I'll just use the pencil, the ruler to just join it together. So this is it when I've joined it together, both the sides, like the 2 sides. So here I'm just removing the safety pin to show you how it looks like. Yeah, just removing the safety pin to show you how it looks like. So this is it. When I'm done. I'm not done. So you can see the middle side, the space is showing. You can see the middle side, the space is showing, like the place I fold. You know, we can't move that side, so I'll just sharpen the brow pencil and then I'll give it that side a straight line right from the front side, from the front hairline to the back hairline. So that's just the logic, that's just the method, that's everything, and it's looking nice and perfect. The way a box braid should be, like a jumbo box braid, a big braid should look like. So I'll just draw it right from the back side, the front side to the middle, a straight line. You know, it's a place we fold, so it won't be easy for me to just draw it when I fold it. So when I lose it. The line is showing. I just have to draw it with the brow pencil. So guys, this is how it is looking like. You can see the front, the sides, the middle, and everything. So let's go to the ventilating process now. The former video I did, I ventilate right on the right side, like this side. But a lot of people came to my DM, to my comment section, and told me I'm not supposed to ventilate on that side. I'm supposed to ventilate inside. So I just have to turn the cap inside just to obey what people have said. So, but the inside is looking odd. So I just have to use my scissors to trim those odd sides, odd space outside. So I'll fold it inside and you can see how it's looking like. So I'm going to ventilate right on this spot. The former video I ventilate inside, but I'll ventilate right on that spot. So this is it. This is when I ventilate on it. I'm almost done, but I'm not done yet. So I'm almost done, but I'm not done yet. So I ventilate. I'm just trying to show you everything, how the lines came out and everything, how the box braid look like. So I'm just trying to show you here. So it remains one particular place I've not finished, and that's the back side, like that elastic band side. So I just want to show you the way I ventilate, how I ventilate every fucking thing on it. So I'm just trying to show you here how I did it. So now this side, I'll just wear it on a mannequin head like this, showing you, and you can see the coupe shape is still showing. The coupe shape is still showing. It's fucking showing. You can see the coupe side, like the pencil side itself is still showing like this. So I'll be ventilating on this particular place, the mini coupes. Yeah, so I'm just trying to show you here how it look like. You can see, yeah. So I'll just go ahead and place it I'll place it on the mannequin head. I'm just trying to show you that I ventilate a lot. Like I've done a lot of work ventilating. So, and this ventilating took me 4 days. Yes, took me 4 days to finish it. Took me 4 good days to finish it. So now this is the mannequin head. So now I will pin it down with a safety pin. Like that's how I did it. If I want to go for a coupe, I'll make sure I pin it down is firm on the mannequin head before I start ventilating. So now I just pin it down with a safety pin like this. But in the previous video I told you to go and check, I did not show the way I ventilate. I just showed you the way I made the airline, and that was all. But in this video I just include the way I ventilate on the net. So now I just pin it down with the safety pin to make it firm before I start ventilating. So now guys, I just went ahead and ventilate on the coupe side. Just make it a square shape before I start ventilating inside, so that I will know where I am meant to ventilate. So guys, in that previous video I've told you I ventilate outside, and in this video I'm showing you I ventilate inside. So just go for the best place for you. But for me, actually I still prefer this because you'll be able to adjust it. Like it will be easy for you to adjust than you ventilating outside. So I just prefer this one. Actually, people are right. They told me it's not supposed to be outside, it's supposed to be inside. So I just went on and do this video making it inside, not outside, and it's looking so perfect and okay. So now guys, I ventilate the coupe side, it remains the inside. So this is how I did it. After I've done the coupe shape, like ventilate in a coupe shape, I just go ahead and ventilate inside. And this is how I ventilate inside. if you want to ventilate inside, we have holes with lines. So I'll ventilate. I left 2 lines and I ventilate on the 3rd line. So inside the coop, I mean not outside, like inside, I ventilate. I left 2 lines. After the coop ventilating, I left 2 lines. I ventilate on the 3rd. I'll leave 4th and 5th line. I'll ventilate on the 6th line. I'll leave 7, 8. I'll ventilate on 9. I'll leave 10 and 11. I'll ventilate on 12. I think you understand. So that's the way I ventilate inside, and you know the ventilating process anyway. So this is it when I've done ventilating. You can see the spaces, and just let me tell you, the spaces are left in between the box braid, in between the boxes, in between the squares, in between the braids. I left just three lines. I left 3 lines. I left three lines in between the braids, not the ventilating, not inside the ventilating box, like in between the braids. I left three lines. Like I'll still show you. So I just have to braid it down so that it will not mingle with the rest. It's not going to join with the rest I've done. So that's why I just braid it a little. So this is it when I was done, guys, and you can see the spaces that I'm talking about. 3 I left 3 lines for the coop shape. In between the coop shape, I left 3 lines. So this is Ebony's style, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure you watch. I'm going to drop another video, and that video contains the way I made the braid in particular. So guys, please subscribe so you can see that video. Please subscribe, like and share to my video for more of these things. So don't forget the ventilating process, the way I make the lines. See you guys in my next video.